Hello everyone, I am A. Victoria Anand Mary, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. Today we will see some of the important topics in programming in C, variables, expressions, operators and a simple C program execution. We will start with variables. Variables are the named memory location where data value is stored. Each variable has a certain type which is specified by its data type. For example, int, character, float, double, etc. Content of a variable can change. Variable must be declared before it is used in any of the C program. Declaration of variables should be done at the opening brace of a function in C. The syntax for declaring a variable would be data type space variable 1, variable 2, we can have any number of variables declared in a single statement, but a statement should end with a semicolon. For example, int space I, j, k, semicolon. Here I, j, k are variables of int type. That means it will hold the values of integer type, whereas length and height are variables of float type, which will hold the values of float or decimal type. Expressions. An expression is a combination of operators, constants and variables. An expression may consist of one or more operands and zero or more operators to produce a value. In the below example, result equal to a plus b asterisk c is the best example for expression which is the combination of operators and variables. Here a, b, c are operands, plus and asterisk are operators, where the final value calculated will be assigned to a variable named result. Types of expressions: constant expressions, bitwise expressions, pointer expressions, logical expressions, relational expressions, floating expressions and integral expressions. Constant expressions consist of only constant values. A constant value is one that doesn't change. That means it remains constant. Integral expressions are those which produce integer results. Floating expressions are which produce floating point result or decimal values. Relational expression yield result of type bool, which take a value true or false. In a C program, bool or boolean is a data type which can store two values, that is true which is equal to 1 and false which is equal to 0. Logical expressions combine two or more relational expressions and produce bool type result. Pointer expressions produce address values. Bitwise expressions are used to manipulate data at bit level, that is 0 or 1. They are basically used for testing or shifting bits. Operators, one of the important topic. C operators are symbols that are used to perform mathematical or logical manipulations. Operator take part in a program for manipulating data and variables. It form a part of the mathematical or logical expressions. C program is rich in built-in operators or predefined operators available for use. Types of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators and special operators. We'll start with arithmetic operators, which are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Whereas relational operators are used for comparing two quantities or values. Some of the relational operators are is equal to, is not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Logical operators. C provide three logical operators when we test more than one condition to make a decision. Logical and, logical or, logical not are some of the types of logical operators. where AND operators perform logical conjunction of two expressions. If both expressions evaluate to true, the result will be true. If either expression evaluate to false, the result is false. OR operator performs logical disjunction on two expressions. If either or both expressions evaluate to true, the result is true. NOT operator performs logical negation on an expression. Assignment operators apply to assign the result of an expression to a variable. C has a collection of shorthand assignment operators. Some of the operators are assign, increments, then assign, decrements, then assign, multiplies, then assign, divides, then assign, modulus, then assign, left shift and assign, right shift and assign, bitwise and assign, bitwise exclusive OR and assign, bitwise inclusive OR and assign. Increment and decrement operators, it is an important one, which are useful operators used to minimize the calculations. For example, plus plus x is pre-increment operators and x plus plus is post-increment operators. In pre-increment, before assigning the value to the variables, the value is incremented by 1. Whereas in post increment, after assigning the value to the variables, the value is incremented. The operator plus plus represent increment operator, minus minus represent decrement operators. Conditional operators. C offer a ternary operator, which is the conditional operator, which is a combination of question mark and colon symbol to construct conditional expressions. Bitwise operators. C provide a special operator for bit operations between two variables. In arithmetic and logic unit, the mathematical operations are done at the bit level. Some of the bitwise operations in C are bitwise and bitwise OR, exclusive OR, left shift operator, right shift operator, ones complement operators. Special operators. C supports some special operators like size of, ampersand, asterisk. Size of operator returns the size of memory location. Ampersand returns the address of the memory location, where asterisk is a pointer to a variable. Now let's start with the simplest C program for printing a hello world statement. Hash include stdio.h is the header file. Int space main is the function name of type integer, open curly bracket, and the first line is the comment line, which start with backslash asterisk and end with asterisk backslash. And printf hello statement is going to print the statement as it is. /n will display the new line and return 0. It means this particular program is not going to return any values, so it is given return 0, and the output of the program will be hello world. As C is a case sensitive language where uppercase and lowercase are different. End of each statement must be marked with a semicolon. Multiple statements can be on the same line. When we are going to give a blank space in between the statements, it will be ignored by the compiler. The C program starts its execution in the main function. An open and close curly bracket indicates where the program actually starts and ends. In general, braces are used throughout the C to enclose a block of statement to be treated as a single unit. The common error is unbalanced number of open and close curly brackets. Including a header file stdio.h. It will add all the library functions for our program. Allow the use of printf functions. For each function built into the language, an associated header file must be included, where the printf is actually a function or procedure in C that is used for printing variables and text. Like in our program, we are going to print hello world using the printf statement, which is already a predefined function. And comments, we can have the comments in our program in two ways, that is multi-line comments and single line comments. If we are going to give a multi-line comment, we can use \**, and it should end with the asterisk and backslash, which means it can have multiple lines within it. If it is a single line comment, we can have double backslash, and this particular comments serve as an internal documentation for program structure and functions. Documentation of variables, functions and algorithms are done using the comments. For each function, it explains the input and output of the function and for what purpose the function is used and what the particular function does. And it describes the program, author, date, modification, changes and revisions if any done. And header file contain definition of the function and variables. Preprocessor #include insert the code of a header file into our source code. Thank you.